Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best car diagnostic readers of 2026, the ultimate lineup for drivers, mechanics, and DIY enthusiasts who want to understand their vehicles better. Whether you're checking engine codes, monitoring performance, or troubleshooting issues, these diagnostic readers combine accuracy, portability, and smart features. Today's models feature OBD2 compatibility, real-time data monitoring, app integration, and user-friendly interfaces, giving you the confidence to maintain your car like a pro. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect diagnostic reader for your vehicle. Check the description for the latest deals, and let's dive into the best car diagnostic readers of 2026. Kicking things off with the BC Boscom Car Diagnostic Reader. The BC Boscom Car Diagnostic Reader is the trusted classic built for everyday drivers. With its OBD2 compatibility, it quickly reads and clears error codes, helping you identify issues before they become costly repairs. I love how its compact design makes it easy to carry, while the clear display ensures simple operation. Its real-time data monitoring provides insights into engine performance, while the durable build ensures long-term reliability. The affordable price makes it accessible, and the user-friendly interface adds convenience. What makes Boscom attractive is its practicality. It's strong enough for routine diagnostics, yet compact enough for glovebox storage. For anyone who wants a reliable starter tool, the BC Boscom Car Diagnostic Reader is a smart pick. Coming in next is the MotoPower Car Diagnostic Reader. The MotoPower Car Diagnostic Reader is the multitasking marvel designed for versatility. With its wide compatibility, it works with most OBD2 vehicles, making it perfect for families with multiple cars. I appreciate its plug-and-play design, which requires no batteries or apps, just connect and read. Its clear LCD screen displays error codes and definitions, while the durable build ensures reliability. The compact design makes it easy to store, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes MotoPower stand out is its simplicity. It's perfect for drivers who want quick diagnostics without complicated setups. For anyone who values convenience and ease of use, the MotoPower Car Diagnostic Reader is a fantastic option. Turning our attention to the VDJGTOL Car Diagnostic Reader. The VDJGTOL Car Diagnostic Reader is the professional powerhouse built for serious diagnostics. With its advanced features, it not only reads error codes but also provides detailed data on engine performance, emissions, and fuel efficiency. I love how its app integration allows me to view data on my smartphone, making analysis easier. Its Bluetooth connectivity adds convenience, while the durable build ensures reliability. The sleek design enhances portability, and the premium features make it suitable for mechanics and enthusiasts. What makes Diagtel attractive is its professional-grade quality. It's trusted by drivers who want more than just basic code reading. For anyone who wants advanced diagnostics, the VDIGTOL Car Diagnostic Reader is a must-have. Let's check out the Zmun Car Diagnostic Reader. The Zmun Car Diagnostic Reader is the budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice quality. With its OBD2 compatibility, it delivers reliable performance for everyday use. I appreciate its compact design, which makes it easy to store in the glove box. Its clear display shows error codes and definitions, while the plug-and-play design adds convenience. The affordable price makes it accessible, and the durable build ensures reliability. What makes Zmun attractive is its practicality. It's strong enough for routine tasks, yet compact enough for smaller vehicles. For anyone who wants a dependable reader without overspending, the Zmun Car Diagnostic Reader is a great choice. Wrapping things up with the Bulktec Car Diagnostic Reader. The BLCKTC Car Diagnostic Reader is the innovative option that blends modern technology with stylish design. With its Bluetooth connectivity, it pairs with smartphones to deliver real-time data and detailed diagnostics. I love how its app integration makes analysis simple, while the compact design adds portability. Its wide compatibility ensures it works with most OBD2 vehicles, while the durable build guarantees reliability. The sleek finish enhances any toolkit, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Bulktec attractive is its innovation. It's perfect for drivers who want advanced features in a compact package. For anyone who values technology and design, the Bulktec Car Diagnostic Reader is a delightful choice. All of these car diagnostic readers bring something valuable to the table depending on your vehicle and maintenance needs. The BC Boscom reader is perfect for compact, everyday use. The Moto Power reader offers simplicity with plug-and-play convenience. The VDJ reader delivers professional-grade performance with advanced features. The Zmun reader emphasizes affordability with dependable results. And the Bulktech reader stands out as the innovative option with Bluetooth connectivity. When choosing a car diagnostic reader, it's important to consider compatibility, features, portability, and ease of use. OBD2 compatibility ensures it works with most modern vehicles, while advanced features provide deeper insights. Compact designs suit everyday drivers, while professional models offer detailed data for mechanics. Budget-friendly options provide solid performance, while premium models deliver advanced features for serious enthusiasts. That wraps up my top 5 best car diagnostic readers of 2026. Whether you're a commuter, a DIY mechanic, or a professional technician, there's a perfect reader here for you. These devices represent the best balance of accuracy, convenience, and value, helping you maintain your vehicle with confidence. So, if you're ready to upgrade your car toolkit, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the reader that fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive gear reviews and buying guides. With the right diagnostic reader, you'll enjoy better maintenance, quicker troubleshooting, and the satisfaction of keeping your car in top condition. Power up your drive, simplify your routine, and enjoy the confidence of working smarter every day.